Looking to boost your PC's performance while adding a splash of vibrant color? Corsair's RGB DDR4 RAM modules deliver ultra-bright dynamic lighting with 10 RGB LEDs per module, customizable through Corsair iCUE software. You can synchronize your memory's lighting with other Corsair RGB gear like CPU coolers, keyboards, and fans, creating a seamless, eye-catching setup that stands out. But it's not just about looks. These modules feature a custom performance PCB designed to provide the highest signal quality, ensuring maximum stability and peak performance. The memory chips are carefully screened to unlock extended overclocking potential, giving you the power to push your system further without compromising reliability. Optimized for the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, this RAM offers maximum bandwidth and tight response times. That means faster load times, smoother multitasking, and better overall system responsiveness, exactly what you need whether you're gaming, streaming, or running demanding applications. Installation is clean and straightforward, requiring no extra wires or cables. Plus, with support for XMP 2.0, you can easily set your memory to its ideal performance settings with just a single BIOS adjustment. This hassle-free setup makes upgrading your system simple and efficient. One power user shared their experience. Upgrading from 16 GB to 32 GB of this RAM made a noticeable difference, especially when running virtual machines and Docker containers. They praised not only the speed but also the ease of installation and overclocking, highlighting how this memory meets the needs of both gamers and professionals alike. If you're ready to enhance your PC with reliable, high-speed memory that also brings your build to life with stunning RGB lighting, Corsair's DDR4 RGB RAM is worth a look. It combines performance, style, and ease of use in one package designed for today's demanding users. Try it when you're ready to experience smoother multitasking, faster load times, and a vibrant, synchronized lighting setup that matches your entire Corsair ecosystem. Upgrade your memory, upgrade your experience.